Josh was getting complaints about a smell from tenants, and when he investigated, he couldn't figure out where the mildew smell in the townhouse was coming from. There was no water stains, no visible mold, just growing odor and sneezing fits. AMPR brought in environmental testing and thermal imaging. We uncovered improperly sealed HVAC chases, leaking condensation behind the walls and leading to rotted insulation and hidden mold colonies. We simplified the process, expert validation, transparent reporting, and aggressive advocacy. Their claim went from denied to fully funded, including mold, remediation, and health-safe reconstruction. Names were changed to protect the privacy of individuals and their cases. Do you need help with your building? Call AMPR Consulting at 310-504-1843 or visit amprconsulting.com.